Hey, Teo's here. Welcome back to the station. If you've been hanging out with the crew for a while, you know I've been researching, digging through forums, and looking for the one upgrade that's actually future-proof. Well, the wait is officially over. I finally pulled the trigger on the Gevi Velpro 400. Now, this isn't an entry-level piece of gear. This is a prosumer grade 64mm flat-burr grinder. Gevi says it can handle a commercial environment, but we're going to see how it fits into our home espresso game. I'm incredibly excited about this one because it's packed with specs that usually cost double what I paid. Why did I pick this? Because of the ultimate value proposition. Normally, if you want a grinder in this intermediate prosumer segment, you're looking around $1,000 to $1,500, sometimes up to $2,000. This one retails normally for $7.99, but I picked it up directly from the manufacturer on sale for $489. For that price, look what we're getting. 400-watt brushless motor, extremely quiet but tons of torque. Variable RPM, you can adjust from 500 up to 1500 RPM to play with your flavor profiles. Precision controls, 100 steps with 5-micron increments. That is surgical level stepless precision. It's future-proof. The 64mm flat burrs are replaceable, so we can swap in some SSPs down the road if we want to get really geeky. But I don't want to flood you guys with numbers yet. Let's get this thing open and see if it actually feels like a high-end machine. First impression, this box is really heavy. Let's go ahead and pull it out of the box. Oh man, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over. Here she is, you guys. Very nice box. Even comes with a plastic handle. Oh my God, this thing is heavy. On the box, it says stepless grinder and RPM adjustment, dosing cup with digital scale. That's a nice touch. Built-in static eliminators. Automatically removes static from the ground coffee. This thing, according to specs, should have near zero retention. A user manual. I love Gevi's user manuals. They're very detailed. I highly recommend you guys to go ahead and read this cover to cover. That's what I'm gonna do at least. A digital scale. Looks like a rechargeable one. Cleaning brush. Very cool. Let's see what's in here. Oh, okay, this looks like a dosing funnel piece. Goes on top. Even that feels heavy, you guys. Look at power cord is in a box. I mean, check it out. Pull her out. Oh my gosh. There she is. There's nothing else in the box. Here's our dosing cup. Look at it. It has like actual digits on it. Very cool. And here's our grinder. I ordered the black version. There's a silver version as well, but this thing is beautiful. Look at this beauty, you guys. I mean, look at it. This thing weighs around 6.8 kilograms, almost 7 kilograms, right around 15, 16 pounds. Fairly heavy. Whoa. Here's the bottom of it. Has a nice little foot, non-slip stuff. Very cool. Here's the power cord, goes in from here. Oh my God. Make every sip count, Gevi. This is beautiful. Perfect stickers and everything. Wow, fairly impressive. And here's this piece. I think this goes right on top based on the photos. Yep. Wow, this is precision made, you guys. Absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to start grinding with this puppy. All right, let's go ahead and remove the plastics off of it. Here goes. Turn it towards the smaller numbers for finer ground coffee and towards the larger numbers for coarser ground coffee. Nice. Let's see what's in here. It's all protective. It feels solid piece of hunk of metal. I mean, you know, the build quality is completely different. Let me compare it to those, you know, your DF54s or, you know, all that other stuff like shower doors and stuff. This is from a completely different segment. There are no bellows or anything. It has its own system to create zero retention. So it's going to be very interesting using something without the bellows. I love it how even the cord is in a box. That shows how much of a care and quality the manufacturer puts into this particular grinder. I think this is Gevi's flagship grinder. And here's the cord. Very similar to a cord, like a high-end computer cord type of cord. It's 3-prong. Let's get the digital scale out. I'm really curious about this. Comes with a Type-C cord, Type-C to USB-A. Everything packed very nice. There's a smell to it. I wish I could have you guys smell this with, like that brand new car smell. Look at it. Here's the scale, and here's the dosing cup. Should also have some sort of magnets underneath. Wow. Yep. This is how it looks, you guys. Look at it, it's zeroed itself already. Such a precision equipment. Wow. And a very nice cleaning brush, you know, I mean, including something like this shows how much care these guys put into this product. Very nice. Whew. This has been an experience just to unpack this thing, you guys. This is it. Cord goes in the back, like so. And it has that 90-degree angle to it. So if you can put it against the wall or something, which is very cool. You know, it's so heavy, it's not going anywhere at your station. It's just gonna sit there as it is without moving anywhere. Perfect. I mean, look at the finish on this thing. It's beautiful. I mean, the body, the paint job, it has this matte paint. It's really high quality, kind of like those wrapped Porsche cars or something. And I love that built-in scale touch. It's incredible to have something like this sitting under your grinder, ready to go. It's in the same color, same design. And I love that 5-micron 100-step adjustment dial right here. Oh my God, I can feel it, you guys. It's tiny little adjustments. Well, this is my first take. This is a serious statement piece for any home barista who's ready to stop upgrading and just get a grinder that can do it all. It looks incredible, absolutely, and it feels like a tank. And the specs are punching way above its weight class. You know, I'm going to be putting this through its paces over the next few weeks, pulling shots, testing that brushless motor, seeing how it handles in different roasts. This isn't a one-off review. I'm bringing you along as I actually live with it. If you're serious about your espresso game and you haven't joined the crew yet, you should definitely consider subscribing. We're officially sprinting toward 5,000, and I'd love to have you at the station for the journey. Also, if you know someone looking for that end game grinder without the $1,000 price tag, share this with them. Catch you on the next video. Have a delicious day.